Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Elevated Armory. Today I have a Canik SFX Rival. So this is everything that comes in the box. This is not brand new. I bought it brand new, but I've shot it already, and this thing is a lot of fun to shoot. This comes with a little speed loader. It's a piece of crap, but it's the thought that counts, right? They give you 2 back straps, the punch tool, the cleaning brush. This thing is actually pretty cool. And the bottom here is your mounting screws for your optics, and this is actually close this up before the shit falls out. This is actually a little tool. You can see that clearly there. And yes, this is illegal in New York and California, because everything is illegal in New York and California. Close that back up. Okay. And then obviously you get all your paperwork. I haven't tried to order any parts yet, but I will soon. And this is instructions for mounting the base plates, how to take the slide off, what comes in the toolbox, and the little toy gun. Then the owner's manual. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but the only thing that I will show you is the optics mounting plates. Now, it tells you which plate works with which mounting platform. So, it's pretty cool. Presentation on this is very nice when the unboxing presentation, in my opinion. Put that off to the side. So, you get a trigger lock. You get these plastic mounting plates. These are the ones that come mounted on the magazines already, but I changed them out. These are your mounting plates. You get 4 of them, and this is this goddamn thing out. This is the rear sights that come on the gun. I changed them already and mounted a red dot on there. This goes that way. Comes with 2 magazines, metal magazines, and I put the aluminum base plates on there. These are 18 rounders. They give you a Canik holster, right-handed, which doesn't work for me because I'm left-handed, but it's a pretty shitty holster. Let's get this shit out of the way. Okay, so this is the SFX Rival. Magazine's empty. Gun is empty and unloaded. So the red dot that I have mounted on here, I haven't shot with this yet. I just got it, but this is the Leupold Delta Point Pro. See the dot there? This is a 2.50 MOA dot. It has a nice little steel protective shroud over it. thing I like about Loophole is the lifetime warranty that they have. And this uses, I think, the plate R4 for this red dot. So I'm gonna update this once I actually shoot with this dot and see how that goes. You have a little bit of a somewhat of a fluted barrel here. I don't know if you can see these lines. Pretty cool. The fiber optic front sight comes red. I changed it to green just because it's easier for me to see. I have these nice little stippling over here on the slide. There's the slide release, which is ambidextrous. The mag release button, which is interchangeable in that little toy gun, has different size plates. Buttons. This magwell comes in the box. I already put it on. It's just one little screw there. I like the stippling on it. I like the just the overall feel of the gun in your hand. It really sits nice. This is pretty cool. This is a chamber indicator. So when you pull that trigger, that goes away. I think that's pretty cool. Nice little slide cuts here, reduce weight, and the slide serrations give you a nice grip. The trigger on this was what I was most impressed by. Is your wall. Very quick reset. Do it again. Yeah, it's just a clean pull. So yeah, this is the Canik Rival. It comes in all black as the dark side edition, but this was the one I decided to buy instead of the dark side. I happen to like the gray and the gold. Do that trigger pull one more time. Such a quick reset. Great for follow-up shots if you like to shoot fast. I like that Delta Point Pro. That gives you really, really big sight picture there. So yeah, I got this for about, I think it was 640 bucks or something like that. Which, I mean, for a competition-ready pistol right out of the box, under $700 is, I mean, you really can't complain about that. That's a great price. So yeah, let me know what you think, if you like it. If you have one, if you've shot one, I would definitely recommend it, especially at the price point. And of course, aesthetically, it's a nice looking gun. So yeah, leave a comment. Let me hear your thoughts. Let's have a conversation about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell, notifications, so you get notified every time I upload something new. And I'm gonna leave a link in the description for the Loophole red dot. This was 400 bucks, I believe. Got a little dirt there on the slide. Really nice looking gun. I haven't been able to find any threaded barrels for this yet, but that's, I'm sure I'll find one at some point. But yeah, like I said, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know your thoughts, and also in the description will be a link to my Patreon page. So on there you can get exclusive videos, behind the scenes videos, and just some live Q&A, some live chat. So if that sounds interesting, go click that link, go check it out, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one.